Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. So today I want to share my experience with Coast torchlight, which is this or flashlight. So this is a very this is a heavy duty torchlight, and this is metal. Is very powerful, and also it's very strong. So this is how it will look. I'm gonna just turn it on. As you can see, how bright is it? So it's very bright, and I'm gonna just gonna turn it, anywhere. How bright is it? Is very powerful. So even this is even daytime. You can see, daytime it's very powerful. Especially at nighttime, it will be much more, and much more powerful look. So you can just turn it, just to make it, even more, sharp. I'm just sharpen it to its only in one spot, and basically it's gonna go up to, I would say, like at least like 100 meters or something. So this is gonna go very far. So that's why, because it's very sharp, and it's gonna go up to at least like 100 meters or something. So as I already tried it on dark spot, and this is how it works. You can just turn it. It's gonna make it white. So that's why, I highly recommend you to get it, and I'm gonna give you 10 out of the 10 for this product, as I'm super happy with this product.